Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah. Whoa, Fillmore. Wow. This is Jackson Storm. Wow. This is Guston Marshall. Yeah. Who is that? Tomater. Wow. Wow, Francesco. Haha. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Sheriff. Yeah. Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Who is that? Tomater. Wow. This is Mac. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
A funny car.
Request acknowledged.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
This is Mac. Wow. Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Is no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama.
Who is that? Ramon. Wow. Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs.
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right?
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
It's an electronic suit. With it, we'll be able to track your speed and your vital signs.
Does it have a phone?
Don't be crazy. Race cars don't have phones.
Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah.
Hold on!
Whoa, Fillmore. Wow.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
This is Guston Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
Wow, Dinoco King. Yeah.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him.
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.